Welcome to the BPA platform training videos from Codeless platforms. Here are the objectives, required tools, and approximate running time for this video. On completion of this exercise, we will see how to extract the status of orders from a database, upload them into an HTML report, and send the report in an email on a scheduled basis. This will be broken down into several short videos that cover the objectives listed in the accompanying documentation. This video will cover parts 3 and 4. We will now create an HTML report to display the data. Before we begin, locate the HTML template for use with this exercise, which is in the folder with your course assets. Let's open BPA platform, locate our task, and double-click to open it. On the Design tab, right-click in the Design area and select New, Format, Format as HTML. Let's type a name for this step, such as Format Report. Enable Use a Record Set, and from the Input Record Set drop-down, ensure the database query step we created in the previous video is selected. Go to the Formatting tab, and from the Document Generation Options pane, ensure one document is selected. For the purposes of this training, we are creating a single report containing all the orders that have not been dispatched. Click Import, and browse to the HTML template file that is part of the course assets, and click to open it. In the dialog box, click OK to accept. Replace title with number of orders and add a space. And in the task browser, on the Environment tab, change scope to be task, and expand task, steps, dbq recent orders. Okay, let's drag the row count property to be the final part of the title. You should now see this. When the report is generated, this is replaced with the number of accounts found by the database query step. We're now going to add a table which contains the columns from the database queries record set. From the table pane, click Design. And from the task browser, change scope to be this step. And expand format as HTML, then record source. And let's drag the following record source columns in this order to the HTML table designer. Change the column headings to the following. OK, change percentage width to 0 for every column. This enables the email client to automatically define the column width. Now change the data format for the following columns by clicking the ellipsis. Order number, numeric, select region, decimal places, 0. Quantity, numeric, select region, decimal places, 0. Unit price, currency, click OK. Net amount, currency, full amount, currency. Click OK, then select Enable Grand Total for full amount. Click Preview, and your table should now look like this. Click Close, and then go to the Formatting tab. Using the Table and Title options, let's change the style of the table to suit. And then click Preview to see your changes. Then click Close. Click OK to save the table. OK, let's place the cursor where the table should be located, and from the Table pane, click Insert. This adds a table placeholder for the table we have just designed. Click OK to save the format as HTML step. We will now configure the Send Email tool to distribute the report. On the Design tab, right-click in the Design area and select New, Output, Send Email. Add a name for this step, such as Send Order Status. As the document we want to email has already been created, enable Read Documents from a source. From Document Source, choose Documents from Format Report. OK, now go to the Main tab. Click From and select one of the email addresses. Let's do the same for the To field. And enter a subject for the email. Ensure Enable Document Output is selected. This forces the document to be part of the email body rather than as an attachment. And finally, click OK to save the Send Email step. And that's it for this video. We have created the report template and configured the Send Email step. In the next video, we will link the steps, test the task, and add a schedule step. Thanks for watching.